Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can restore pictures or videos from the picture gallery trash on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom, and from the pop-up menu, tap on trash, and in here touch and hold on one of the photos or pictures that or the videos that you want to restore, and then select them. After that, you can tap on the restore button at the bottom, and now it will be restored back into your picture gallery. And that's it. That is how you can restore deleted pictures or videos from your picture gallery trash. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.